What can I say? I'm awesome like that. There we go. Hello everyone, Sats here, how you guys doing? Right, carrying on with my fall season picks. Next is one I have really been hyped for, and it has been hyped high and hell water on the internet, which is why I'm glad I was actually able to ignore all promotional material for this one. I haven't seen a clip. I've seen some pictures here and there, but no clips, nothing from the trailers or anything. Chainsaw Man! I don't know, why am I getting the kind of feels I got when I first heard about One Punch Man? I mean, it's everywhere. People are really hyping this one up. Well, at least the manga, you see, it's excellent, it's amazing. And I did hear one or two complaints about CGI, but who knows? That might be blowing these things out of proportion, but who knows? So, alright, about to find out. Like I said, I have no idea what it's about. I just know it's about a guy with a chainsaw, maybe? The head for a chainsaw, according to the poster. I'm about to find out totally blind. Let's see it. There we go. Pick it up. Yeah, so not so creepy way to start this whole thing. First person perspective, in the back alley. You don't know what's going to be around the corner. I'm expecting Leatherface with a chainsaw all of a sudden. Why are we waking up again? Oh, it's a room this time. So why was the guy in the alley? Wait, which kidney? You saw only your kidneys? And a right eye? Why would you do that? I should have paid more for that. Okay, so he's living with death and... it's a lot of death. That's why you're selling yourself bit by end of the chainsaw. Okay, the dog is a chainsaw. I mean, how demons do. Creepy. Okay, according to this opening, this show's gonna be crazy. Wait, are you done? Dude, you're supposed to introduce us to this whole thing. Why are you done already? Alright, so, the guy with the chainsaw pooch is Denji. You're getting screwed over. Wow, he's tied for 400,000 though. And he's still losing money. Wow, this guy's luck is awful. Wow, okay, forget awful. It's damn abysmal. He went from 400,000 to just 1.8 and 1,800. You should find the guy if he's still alive. He's gonna do it because he needs the money. You better pay up. You better pay up. Okay, he paid up. Good. But damn though. Alright, now you have 1,900 yen. Yeah, he didn't eat it. Yeah, and butter and cheese and other stuff. If you make sandwiches with vegetables and meats, you're just eating bread. I pity you a bit more. You can clean up the place a bit. I'm pretty sure you'll find someone. Probably. So, whose favorite dad's? No, it's not his dad. It is his dad's. Wow. So the bastard actually killed himself and left the dad to his son. And that's how he met the pooch. He's wounded. Yeah. But we know you don't die. neither of you do yet. Only the first episode. And he did. Well, he is a demon, so I can see you making a deal. And now the deal is sealed. That's a contract. And that's how this whole relationship started. Well, you only have one slice of bread. Yeah, aim high. I'm rooting for you. Okay, you might not make it. And now it seems you have it. Okay, can you pay him properly this time? Come on. Well, at least give him health benefits. Yay, this is certainly suspicious. Or maybe it's a trap because they want you. Yeah, they're gonna kill you. And there it is. They got both of them. And so they also made deals with devils, following his example. So they don't need him anymore. And now, yeah, they kind of, they fucked themselves up, basically, when they tried that. Yeah, you're in a pickle. Just this time you got it real good. Yeah, okay, all that should be inside you. Well, they are zombies, so I should slow down a couple of them. But seriously, yeah, that one caught up. Yeah, seriously! Ow! Okay, I mean, this is only the first episode. There's an Ex Machina that's supposed to save him. Yeah, okay, guess that's a show. And yeah, she did throw him in the trash. But Pooch still ate the blood. Alright, so you're actually using Porsche as a chainsaw and cutting down trees. Alright, so that's how the show continues. I mean, he is a dead body right now, and Porsche is still alive, so might as well just, he gave you permission. And now back to the present. And he is reattaching himself. Well, he is fusing. Yep. Yep. Oh, where should I talk? That's the first. So, still alive. No, you were pretty hurt. Just that, yeah. He's just immune now. So, yeah, about to show you a new form. You girls just tired of that. I mean, they are zombies. So does that mean you're not pushing anymore? She's all part of you. She's in your heart. Literally, she is your heart. So what happens when you pull the cord? Okay, maybe you need to pull it more than once. I hear it. It's on. And he's... That's why I saw the booster. And arms made of chainsaws. No! Ooh, bloody! Ooh, alright, you can walk off, You're not just pissing off. Yeah, come one at a time. Ooh. You really couldn't dodge those. And chain right through all that. Yeah, you brought this on to yourself. Enjoy. Any chance anyone's going to pay for that? I mean, it seems like a big deal of demon. Well, Luigi's dead, so all the zombies stop. Yeah, so might as well just do your job right now. So, the entire Yakuza is just all these zombies now. Oh yeah, you're sure to kill that one. Exactly, yeah. Once he's done here, there's no one he owes money to. He can get to keep what he earns. Who's the new edition here? Other than that, the other come say something like they only get or something. Oh, okay. So they're demon hunters too. Oh, he's still here. Okay, you're brave. And you take right. Okay, you are brave. I mean, with those chainsaws, you'd stay away. Back to normal. And check it. You're flirting with a girl, just like you dreamed. No, you already got him. Let's not do that. Okay, let's go with that option. Alright, but with what? And why do you sound like you want to keep it as a pet? Oh, please, something good. Oh, yeah, let's go. Skip the salad. He just wants to jam. I'm good. You had him at bread with butter and jam. You had him there. Yeah, considering what you've been eating, obviously. That was pretty intense and bloody. Most of that scene was in the dark, but I get the gist of it, and I kind of love the visceral stuff, honestly. So, Bye, Poochie. He seemed like a good boy, but he has him in his heart now, and of course there'll be some official demon hunters in the Yakuza who do God knows what with their corpses. Anyway, they're probably all dead now. They're probably all those zombies. But new life, and he gets to eat jam now. What's being official going to be like? I wonder. And who knows? There might be some baggage from his past still. I'm expecting something of his dad, though. But then again, he hung himself. What did he? The guy was an asshole, honestly. Alright then, let's see what happens with the next episode. There we go. Yeah, he's pretty hungry. Well, I just noticed he regrew everything. He had an eye patch and one ball and one kidney. But I guess all that grew back. Yeah, I should definitely keep him as a pet. Definitely. Yeah, I mean, she hugged you and everything. Well, she was the first girl you touched, probably. That's gonna keep happening till you feed him. Yeah, she's still scared that you would treat you like a pet, though. Oh, oh, okay. Guess he's into that. Okay, he's down. Ooh. Yeah, he's fine. He's fine. He's more than fine. You really should sit down, though. And you don't have a nose. They forgot to draw one in. Yeah, Davis. You really should sit down. And you woke up to udon and a lap pillow. Eat. Eat it all. That's why you bought it. He wants to be fed. He's Flair you. Okay, yeah, he's going for the whole pet thing. I guess he's probably good. Hey, Makima. Best answer ever. It took a while for it to click, alright. Yeah, you're gonna get left behind. Whipped. Alright, let's go in there and see all his cast members. Now we only see all 1,000, just like. Maybe. Maybe. Does he know how to put that on? No, he doesn't. Oh, that must be the coworker. Yeah, sorry. That comes later, maybe. And there's the carrots. And help him with his diet, honestly. Wolf. Say wolf. Not gonna answer that. Okay, I'd say that was uncalled for, but I guess he really shouldn't be asking how to make him like that. Okay. Alright, feel better? Yeah, no, so might as well just kick his ass again. Really? That's nice. Okay, I don't think he's been appraised of the whole half devil thing. If not, he wouldn't be given this speech. Well, at least he put it out. Dude, you know how many devils he killed just last night? Holy shit! Hey, dude! And he gave him seconds and thirds, and one more from later. Alright. Honestly, how many not shots are you gonna get this guy? Okay, so we're gonna have a good old-fashioned good brawl here. Okay, seriously, is he only gonna go for the nuts? Yeah, seriously! You just destroyed all his descendants now. Oh yeah, that happens. Not devil. Absolutely not. Really? Well, it's something to be next. And now you have one more. Oh, so it actually wasn't a priest. He's just finding out. He'll kill you. Oh, that. Zero. Well, you guys are pretty intimate. I mean, he did touch your balls pretty hard. Several times. Seriously, he was just in there. And that's why he's being so overprotective. Yeah, he hugged her. Oh, he wants all the gems. That is a messy toast. That is a messy table. Yeah, they're gonna be living with that. Okay, you're supposed to be afraid to take a bath, honestly. And that's it, toilet paper. Yeah. Alright, first day on the actual job. Oh. But, yeah, I was going to say, doesn't that make him a fiend? Yo. He doesn't need to change for this. Yeah, I know. It obviously got that backstory. Hey, he just took out a fiend with one swipe. How is he not taking this seriously? Well, he did have a pet for a while. I like that answer. Really? He just wanted the point stash. I don't think anyone's gonna complain. No, that's junk, but you're enjoying it. Okay, you have face is up there. You already had your face on there, so it's not. Okay, I guess this episode's not over yet. Oh, okay. We're in the mood for the right now, so let me read some more sort of pop-outs. Did he just say that out loud? He did. Okay, wow. Oh, so he's not the partner? So, who else are we meeting? Another lady? Nice. more hot chicks around you. Oh, but she is an actual fiend. But, you know, yeah, you're pretty easy. So that's why it's an experimental unit. She's putting X factors together to see if they could actually become assets. But of course, if they fail, you can just kill them all. Yeah, you can just get a hat. A big top hat. That'll work, probably. But she's so hyper. She's like a squirrel. That's all he's thinking about. I mean, loops are still blue. Why the sour face though? Oh. Yeah, then what's the point? Yeah, I doubt he made that face though. Oh, but she smelled something. Quickly, go up there. Yeah, she is fast and she parkours. Ooh, there's a big one. Oh! Okay, she makes weapons with her own blood. Neat. Right? She's crazy. Still hot though, right? Alright, so power is interesting, pretty hyper, just getting around like a squirrel, but obviously insane and but it is her name. She's powerful. So nice addition between her, his senpai, and then still haven't seen him transform because no big threat has come along just yet. But who knows? Next episode, even a couple, then he will show them the whole transformation thing. How are you gonna take the whole arms and face as chainsaws though? That's gotta be freaky. So yeah, I'm loving it so far. I'm loving the show and everything. The visuals, it's some interesting monster designs too. And it's pretty bloody. Yeah, nice horror. I'm really looking forward to more of this. Alright, just one more show and I'm done with the entire summer picks. Even though there are a couple I'm just going to be watching, but yeah, that's here and there. Alright, well then, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave a like, it really helps out. Any comments, I would love to hear your thoughts. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do want to check out my other stuff. See you guys for the next one. Bye.